This is an unboxing, sometimes humorous, always unprofessional. Unboxing, but never political.
Rumour has it she was a firecracker in the bedroom.
Oh my god. It's an unboxing. It's an unboxing. This is my second attempt because I was placing some of them with my address facing the camera, which... Anyway, well, let's get started. I just got back from Flagstaff and I was greeted by many a package. Ball bearings. A man needs ball bearings. I got these for spraying the gold neck. Soft plier things. I realized I didn't really have any of these, so they were only like $13, so that's good. I think that's it. This one was kind of... I usually do a Stumac order because I need one thing and then I just tack on other stuff. So this is what I need for the electric guitar truss rod. This is a book from eBay, an old book, but I heard there was still useful information in here, so I bought it. Hardback. I'll show you. I haven't seen this before. Classic guitar making, Arthur E. Overholzer. What am I said? Overholster. It's always interesting to look through these books, these older books. So I got this for $12 or something. I'm sure it's going to be worth that price. This is published in 70 something, 74. So there you go. I was published in 75. I finally became the Guild of American Luthier member. Nice. I look forward to looking through those. Another box from Allied. And another special thing from another luthier who makes Luthier tools. Sleeve, 240 sleeve. And here is the boom! Elevate mortise and tenon jig. And that goes on there. And then this is my centerline finder. Which goes in there. I'll do I've just been driving for 7 hours, and so I'm not going to get into all this now, but goes there actually. But this is going to be, I'll do a full video on this once I use it. So there it is, just a quick unboxing. Can't wait to use this. Looks like it's been gnawed on by a friggin' wolverine. Lovely. Okay. That's it. I'm going to bed. Bye.
Rumour has it she was a firecracker in the bedroom.